ready to make your text pop off the page. Let's get started in Adobe Illustrator. First, select the Type tool and click on your artboard to create your text. Type in a word or phrase. Let's use Explode for this tutorial. Adjust the font size and font to your preference using the character panel. Choose a bold font for a stronger visual impact. Now, the fun begins. We'll create our small to big warp first. Select your text next. Go to Object, then Envelope, Distort, and finally Make with Warp. This opens the Warp Options panel from the Style drop-down. Select Arc Upper or another warp style. Experiment to see what you like. Adjust the Bend slider to control the angle of the warp. In this case, start with a negative setting so the effect will be subtle. Then, adjust the horizontal and vertical distort settings to shape the curve. Click OK when you're satisfied. Now, let's add some perspective. Make sure your warped text is still selected. Then, go to Effect, 3D and Materials, and Extrude and Bevel. A panel opens and here we want to add a perspective to our warped text. Adjust the X, Y, and Z axis to create a perspective transformation. You can adjust the extrusion depth for a three-dimensional effect. Click OK when you're happy with the perspective. Fine-tune your effect by adjusting the size, rotation, and position of your text on the artboard. You can also change the color and add other details such as gradients. And there you have it. You've learned how to warp text from small to big in Adobe Illustrator, adding interest and creativity to your design. Remember to experiment with different warp options and effects. You're now ready to create stunning text effects. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel.